In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date and time format in Outlook. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to update the settings. Once Outlook is on your screen, look to the top right area and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where you can adjust many of the display and account preferences in Outlook. After the settings panel opens, find and click on General. This section contains broader preferences that affect how Outlook looks and behaves. Inside General, look for the Language and Time option and click on it. This is the area where you can control how dates and times are shown throughout your Outlook experience. Once you're in Language and Time, you'll be able to customize the format based on your preference. For example, you may want the date to appear in a day, month, year format, or maybe you prefer month, day, year. You may also be able to choose how the time appears, such as a 12-hour clock or a 24-hour clock, depending on what is available in your version of Outlook. Take a moment here to review the available options carefully. Choosing the right format can make your calendar, emails, and scheduling details much easier to read at a glance, especially if you work with people in different regions, or if you simply want Outlook to match your local format. As you make changes, feel free to customize the settings in the way that works best for you. This is a personal preference, so there's no single correct choice. The most important thing is selecting a format that helps you read dates and times clearly and consistently. If you use Outlook every day, this small adjustment can make a surprisingly big difference. It can help reduce confusions when checking meeting times, deadlines, or timestamps in emails. It's especially useful if the default format doesn't match what you're used to seeing. Once you've selected your preferred date and time format, your changes should apply to your Outlook display. If you don't notice the update right away, give it a moment or refresh the page if needed. And that's all it takes to change the date and time format in Outlook. It's a quick setting, but it can really improve your overall experience and make Outlook feel more natural to use.